As you know, we are in the business of providing infrastructure, and more particularly spots for our customers to place antennas. So when they talk about moving to 3G and then to 4G, typically, not always, but typically that requires additional antennas, base stations, line and coax to be added to a carrier's network to deliver that next generation technology. So anytime that there is a need for additional antenna placement, that's where tower companies fit in, and every time that that occurs, it's an opportunity for us to increase our revenue base. 4G so far, and actually we've only really seen as an industry two examples, the Clearwire example and the Verizon example, and they're both very different. Verizon has chosen to use its existing infrastructure to piggyback on that, economize where they can, not replicate shelters or utility runs or power. So for us, that typically means anywhere from 3 to 6 additional antennas, typically 3, with an additional 3 to 6 lines for which we would charge some additional rent because additional capacity is being used on the tower. That's not unlike what AT&T has done and is doing with their 3G overlay. Now on the Clearwire side for the 4G, Clearwire's both utilizing existing Sprint Nextel infrastructure where they can, but they're also in many cases, and actually I think in more cases, coming on with brand new tenancies where they don't have any existing infrastructure, no utility runs, no backhaul, so they're creating basically a brand new cell site. So it's very different depending on who our customer is. We think once AT&T gets really underway with its 4G plans, it will look probably more like what Verizon is doing, at least from a tower company's perspective, than what Clearwire is currently doing.